you were the only doctor that wanted to listen to me and restore my hairline to where I wanted to where it used to be.
Yeah, that's how I recall
And
that.
yeah, you remember, you know, I was adamant about that. And the other guys did not want to work with me. To me, they were just a salesman.
Yeah.
So, you know, so that was the big difference. What sold me, that you would actually sit down and talk to me. No one's ever detected that I had anything done.
Yeah, well, that's good. That's great.
No one ever looks at me and,
Yeah.
and says, you know, you know, something's different about you, or, you know, I used to hide it very well, and when I tell people, no one believes that I had anything done.
Hey, Mike, it's good seeing you again and having you come by and saying a few words for me, and you know.
Anytime.
So.
Thank you, Dr. Halby.